Hello guys, welcome back to Coin Engineering. Today I want to talk to you about Binance's 63rd Launchpool project, the BIO protocol. BIO protocol is a decentralized science project, and this will be Binance's first ever Desci project launching on Binance Launchpools. And tomorrow, on the 24th of December, will be the start of a 10-day farming period where you can start farming BIO tokens ahead of the launch. So a lot to talk about. We're going to talk about what is BIO protocol and how you can start farming those tokens. So if you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and let's get into it. But first off, what is a launch pool? A launch pool basically is a way to invest in an early startup or a project that's in early stage of development. By providing funds to this startup with your cryptocurrency, you'll receive rewards in the form of the native token of the project that you are invested into. In this case, it's BIO token. And as you can see on the Binance website, there is a statement that says Binance will be the first platform to list the token mentioned herein, in this case BIO, the BIO protocol token, and trading will start on the 3rd of January. And it goes on to tell you about how you can start to stake your BNB and FDUSD over the 10-day period. And this is basically the lockup period that you will, BNB or FDUSD will be locked up for. There is a total of 3.2 billion BIO tokens that will be in circulation. And of that 3.2 billion, 3% of it will be allocated to the launch pool reward, so 99 million. It also says here, when Binance does list BIO, there will be 39.05% of the supply in circulation. We'll drop a link to this page down below so you can check it out yourself. But let's take a look at what BIO protocol is all about. So this is BIO protocol. BIO protocol is a platform that can provide funding and help develop biotechnology innovations, whether it be researchers, universities, companies that want to tokenize scientific intellectual property, make it easier to share and fund and govern the research. We covered Desci in a previous episode and the huge potential that it has for the future of science, and how the traditional centralized systems that we know of today often relies on large institutions and publishers that control the funding and access to science and research, and the bureaucratic issues that they may have and the biased decisions that they may make and the potential corruption that goes on there. Desci allows researchers and scientists to take control of their own work and gives that power to the community. Scientists, funders and the public can directly engage and support research projects, which makes science more efficient and equitable and fairer. So if we take a look at the website, it says BIO protocol is Desci's new financial layer, engineered to commercialize the best science faster. And if we go over into the BIO DAO, currently they've got 7 projects funded, $23.5 million in funding so far raised, and 7.2 million of that's been deployed into research. So these are the 7. VitaDAO, we covered VitaDAO in a previous episode, this is research in longevity. We've got HerDAO, this is research into hair loss treatment, biology research. Athena is women's health. Cryo is cryopreservation research. This one's cool. PsyDAO is for the dedicated to psychedelic research, and Cerebrum DAO is focused on neurodegeneration and brain health. So these are 7 projects that are live now that have all been funded by BIO protocol. And with the launch of BIO protocol's own native governance token, BIO, that you can start farming tomorrow, this gives holders the ability to participate in decision-making processes within the BIO ecosystem, which will include things like voting on what new projects can join the ecosystem. So the launch of the native BIO token is a pretty huge milestone. They've also got this really cool intro video here. Yeah, it's cool. It's basically what it's saying is the existing, like I said before, the existing centralized system is broken, and Desci integrating science with blockchain technology is a way to re-accelerate innovations and research and enhance collaboration, stop corruption, corporate greed, which is what decentralization is all about. It says here it's protocol for directing capital and talent to the most promising early stage science, meta governance, funding, providing liquidity. So they've got the projects that are already live, and these three here upcoming. We've got Kyotopia, which is focusing on rare disease, long COVID. We've got one on long COVID labs. Quantum biology, which is quantum microscope. Advanced bio research, partnered with Binance, of course. And this roadmap, so it launched in 2021 with VitaDAO initiated. In August 2021, the first science funded project, funding on-chain in partnership with the University in Copenhagen. In December 22, Pfizer backed VitaDAO with 4.1 million. The first IP token launched in 23 in June at Newcastle University. Her DAO became the first DAO to file a scientific patent, and we know about this in November, where Binance announced that they'll be doing the first investment, Desci investment into Bio Protocol. And here we are now with the DAO launch, and the protocol launch goes live. So in between here and here is where we'll be doing our staking to earn the Bio tokens within the launch pool. So you can check out this website, you can see the team, got a big team, some advisors. Yeah, so Bio Protocol, I mean, it's a great project. Being that it's going to be launching, going to be the 63rd launch on Binance Launchpool. It have been heavily vetted by CZ and his team, and projects launching on Binance Launchpool tend to do pretty well. We've got some statistics here. Average return on investment of 2.5x. Some notable launches, Sui being one of them. That's at 43x since it launched. Got meme coin at 10x. You know, you can check this out. Who generally tends to do pretty well, and you can start farming for bio tokens as of tomorrow. So if you have some BNB lying around, then make use of it. Get it staked. Got contract address here. You can check out the contract. If you do not have a Binance account, we'll drop a link in the description. You can follow that link to generate your account. We'll also be supporting our channel as well, which would be greatly appreciated. We'll also leave you all the links that you need below, including the details of the launch pool and the project. Also links to Coin Engineer socials and website. Feel free to check all those out. If you haven't, join our Twitter. And thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, as always, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.